Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about crypto.com and what you can expect in the crypto markets, guys. Yes, I do believe that a 10x is very, very possible for crypto.com. In fact, I think it's extremely likely. And there's a couple events that will get us there over the course of the next year. Now, do I think it's going to happen in the next month or 2 months, riding on the back of the FIFA World Cup news? I do not think we're going to get that dollar in the next few months, but I do think we're going to get our foothold to begin our journey back up to that dollar, and we're going to talk about that and more. Guys, I don't know if you saw, but crypto.com is pumping right now, and FTX is hurting right now on some news that Binance's CEO is selling all of his FTT tokens because of some of the actual regulation and a bill that FTX's founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, and CEO is trying to get passed. So a lot of drama, a lot to go over in today's video. If you guys like this kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 3 videos every single day, actually 4 videos every day. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So you don't want to miss out on that, guys. Let's take a peek at these charts. Let's hop into the market and see what is happening. So crypto still hanging on to $1 trillion market cap, which is excellent. And Bitcoin is down to $20,600. Yesterday, we were at 21,000, but we are coming down just a touch today. We are actually having the traditional market go up just a little bit today. Now, there is a big event coming up this week. November, midterm elections are coming up. The Senate and the House of Representatives, those seats are at stake. Whether the Republicans or the Democrats can take or retain, their seats in the House and in the Senate, that is up in the air this week, and that will bring a lot of volatility to markets, not just crypto, because at the end of the day, the balance of crypto hangs in the winds of regulation and lawmakers, but the traditional market as well. So a lot's going on, guys, and that's kind of why you're seeing some volatility right now. But let's look at this. Binance Coin has been pretty strong this week, which is cool. But what is the strongest exchange token? Well, guys, you might be happy to see that 10.26% over the last 7 days. Cronos has been very, very strong, while FTX is down 15.61%. Some people are spreading rumors that FTX is insolvent and that they may pull a quote-unquote Celsius. This is yet to be determined whether or not this is true. I doubt that FTX is insolvent, but there is a lot of conversation going on about what they've done with Solana and their exchange and a lot more, and especially around what I think is the biggest thing, the regulation that Sam Bankman-Fried is in favor of, which would basically squash DeFi, which is something that we don't really want. So Sam Bankman-Fried came out and he's been defending himself against CZ, who is the CEO of Binance, and CZ came out yesterday and said a pretty clear message. So I'm going to try to find this message for you guys here. So CZ came out and attacked Sam Bankman-Fried. So he basically started saying, he is sparking discussions about conspiracy theories, and he's trying to kind of, defend himself here. But basically, CZ came out yesterday and he was telling folks that he is going to sell all of his FTX tokens over the next year or so. And this is because of some of the information that FTX has come out with recently and Sam Bankman-Fried in, what he believes should be the future of crypto. So here he comments on a little bit. Liquidating our FTT is just a post-exit risk management. Learning from Luna, we gave support before, but we won't pretend to make love after divorce. We are not against anyone, but we don't support people who lobby against other industry players behind their backs. So what is CZ saying? CZ saying is that his competition, FTT, is doing something that is putting all the other crypto exchange players at risk. Sam Bankman-Fried has essentially attacked Binance, crypto.com, anything with a smart chain and DeFi. And, CZ feels like he did it behind their back. And so this is a big deal. Some whale alerts coming on about FTT tokens moving. CZ is admitting that, yes, this is us. This is who we are selling. But this is the whole statement, they received $2.1 billion and they're going to sell it. And they talk all about it. But guys, so that was yesterday. We talked a little bit about that yesterday too. Well, Sam Bankman-Fried came out today and he said, number one, a competitor is trying to go after us with false rumors. FTS is fine. Assets are fine. Details. And then you kind of show the thread. So now I'm going to show it. FTX has enough to cover all client holdings. We don't invest in client assets, even in treasuries. We have been processing all withdrawals and will continue to be. Some details on withdrawal spread. And then also he says, we are heavily regulated, even when that slows us down. We have a GAAP audits with less than $1 billion with actually more than $1 billion of excess cash. We have a long history of safeguarding client assets, and that remains true today. Number four is, I'd love it at CZ if we could work together for the ecosystem. And this sounds good, right, from Sam Bankman-Fried, but he'd love it if we could work together for the ecosystem. But I think that statement right there is the one problem that CZ and, a lot of the folks in the crypto space have with what Sam Bankman-Fried is trying to do, because it doesn't seem like he is trying to work together for the ecosystem. In fact, it seems like he's trying to squash his competition by attacking the DeFi ecosystem, which he is not a part of, which is very, very interesting. So guys, there's a lot of drama coming up here between Binance and FTX, but you know who's not involved? Boom, Chris Marsliak and crypto.com. They are not getting involved in this fight, in this cat fight. And they're just talking about their awesome logo, the crypto.com arena. They're talking a little bit about their conferences. They talk about the FIFA World Cup, which is huge news that's coming up. They talk about how, and they have it pinned as a tweet, honored to receive regulatory approval in France, where they spent $150 million on a new headquarters in France for the European Union headquarters for crypto.com. Guys, they're staying out of it, which is exactly what I like to see. And that might be why you see Cronos up 10% over the last 7 days. Well, FTX is down 15%. So guys, that's kind of what we're seeing right now in the market. Pretty interesting stuff going on. And keep in mind, this FIFA World Cup is coming up. And I think that this is something that gets us back on pace to go to $1. Guys, in the previous bull run, crypto.com was just short of $1. It will most certainly get there again in the future. It's a matter of when. But it's events like this for the FIFA World Cup, which is going to have over 50 billion viewers, which is unbelievable. Guys, it's going to be huge. And keep in mind, they've got their marketing going with all these other partnerships. And I'm just happy to say that they're staying out of the mess and the drama between FTX and Binance, which is good. The worse FTX does, the better crypto.com can do, actually, because if people are trying to panic and get out of FTX, which seems like it's happening right now, which, whether that should be something you're doing or not, I'm not really sure. I don't ever like to really panic, but if people are afraid that FTX is insolvent, maybe that's something to consider. That can only mean inflows out of FTX and into other exchanges like crypto.com. So that might be part of the reason we got some rising action here. And keep in mind, the fear is still red, guys. So we've got a real buying opportunity. We're still in the red. Yesterday, we were a little more greedy. And today, we're a little more fearful. As you can see, the markets are kind of trying to figure out what they want to do next. And we are clearly in the bottom of this rainbow chart for Bitcoin, which guys shows you guys the logarithmic view here of Bitcoin and how it's performed in conjunction with each halving event. We are in the buying phase, as you can see here. Guys, I think a $1 Coin is inevitable. I think it's coming very soon. I'm happy to see that crypto.com is staying out of this mess between FTX and Binance, but I really hope that FTX, for the record, I hope FTX does not fail, because it won't be good for the crypto markets overall if it does. But guys, look out for the buying opportunity. If this market starts to tumble more, DCA, hold on, buy this dip. If this market continues to rise, enjoy the gains, take profit on the way up, maybe even DCA on the way up. Heck, I DCA every single day, every chance I get, really. So that's all I got today. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you've got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.